Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are going to see about passive income. So, how we can earn the passive income and what is the important things to earn the passive income and how to what are all the steps to earn the first passive income. So, first of all, we will see about what is passive income. So passive income includes regular earnings from a source or other than the employer or contractor. So it includes about the, for example, in affiliate marketing, we are going to promote the product. So based on that, the some percentage will be given as the commission. So passive income can come from two sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate. So active income refers to income received from performing a service. We are going to office 9 to 5 job. Once end of the month we will get the salary. So active income based on the action. So it includes wages, tips, salaries, commissions and income from the businesses in which there is material participation. So action, based on the action we will receive the active income. So passive income have pros and cons. The passive income process, it comes in without you working or devoting time to it. So it may be taxed at a lower rate or if it's capital gains or qualified dividends. So cons is the, I cannot think of any disadvantages to having passive income. So active income pros and cons. So we are earning the income which contributes to our social security base. So family, everything, social activities. So you are the probably getting benefits such as health, unemployment, disability, and insurance. You are probably getting retirement plan funding. So you have got some place to go and do work every day. So pros. So cons in the active income. So you have to work, you are selling your time. Income may be taxed at a higher rate. So you may be at the behest of your employer, clients and customers, so etc. Yeah, next we will see about why passive income is important. Okay, it provides a platform for financial stability and growth. It allows you to pursue doing the things and you love rather than what pays the bills. So it will provide the platform to earn the finance and the financial security and the freedom, financial freedom it will give. And the second point is it allows you to pursue doing the things you love rather than what pays the bills. Then third point is it gives you the ability to live and work from anywhere. Okay, so around the world you can work anywhere uh, for for getting the passive income. So it reduces your stress, anxiety and fear of the future. Okay, it will reduce your stress, financial problems. So it will reduce the stress, anxiety and fear of the future and getting your bank account from minimal work. So you will less work, more benefit, more profit. So passive income and a major focus in your financial life, and it will give the freedom of time. Your time will be more time you can get. If you earn passive income you don't worry about the active income, so you can secure the future in getting passive income, and it will create the increased financial security and it allows you to build wealth and it moves you towards from it will moves you towards financial freedom. And the third thing is Simple steps to your first passive income. How to earn the first passive income? Simple steps. First, you have to decide your skills and your passion. So you have to choose the niche which you have passion. So and we have to reset your mindset. So mindset towards to the how to earn passive income and those things, how to secure your life in future and financial security, financial freedom, or you can work from anywhere. So that mindset we have to set, compare with the active income. So then we have to set the goals. This month I will get this month this amount. So those kind of goals we have to set and give yourself a timeline to test your venture. And final point is, don't be afraid to spend some money, but to do so responsibly. So passive income is important in our life. So important, why passive income is important, and simple steps to first passive income, how to earn. So thanks guys. Yeah.